Now let us design a new Java project. Basically we want to develop a simple mathematical calculator in a Java program that performs the basic addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. So we shall start a new project, new Java application. Under the source package, right click, new, JFrame form. Okay, now we want to input two numbers, and the addition, multiplication, division and subtraction of between these two numbers is to be performed. So to input two numbers we need to have two text fields and the third text field to display the result. Now we have to take the appropriate number of labels. We are taking 3 labels to display the title or the caption, we can say. So we have to change the text properties and first number. In the second one we have to write enter second number, and in the third label's text we have to write the result. Okay, we have to clear the text of the text fields and we have to resize them. Okay, to write now we want to take different buttons, one for addition, one for subtraction, one for multiplication and one for division, and one more button for exit option. We can reset them, we can reposition them as per our requirement. Now we have to change the caption property of the text property of the buttons. So we want to write here addition, then we have subtraction, we have multiplication, and we have division, and finally the exit option. Now when the user inputs the first number in the first text field and the second number in the second text field, then after inputting the values the user clicks the addition button. So the result has to be calculated as sum of the first and second numbers, and the result should be displayed in the third text field control. So we have to write the codes for that. So we shall select the addition button, events, then action and action performed event. Here we have to take appropriate numbers first of all, as we are dealing with integers in this example. So we shall take two variables a comma b comma c. Why the c variable? Because in the first a variable we want to input the first number, then b the second number, c shall hold the sum of a and b, and will be displayed in the third text field. So I shall write here a equals to wrapper class integer. In the previous lesson we discussed about the wrapper classes, what is the meaning of the term wrapper class and why they are required. Basically we want to convert the text, we want to convert the string into numeric, so that's why we are taking wrapper class here, and the parseInt method is being used. So it is jtext field 1 dot get text, so b equals to integer dot parseInt jtext field 2 dot get text. Now the c equals to a plus b, and now the sum is in c, so this value is to be, the sum is to be displayed in the third text field. So we shall write here jtext field 3 dot set text plus c. Okay, this is the code for the addition operation. Now let us copy this code and design. For all the options, all the statements would be similar, except this, instead of plus symbol we have to use minus symbol for the subtraction operation. So we shall paste the codes here, and instead of the plus symbol we shall write here minus a minus b, because difference between a and b is to be calculated. And same in case of multiplication, events, action performed. So all the codes are pasted, and simply we have to write here asterisk symbol for the multiplication. Asterisk symbol denotes the multiplication operation. Now events, division, then events, then action performed. So instead of plus symbol we shall write it the front slash symbol, which is a division operator, a divided by b. So okay, now we are left with one more option, one more button, and the code for this exit window would be events, action, action performed. Here to get out of the application or to close the current application, running application, current running Java application, we have system.exit and 0. Okay, now let us run the project. Right, okay, now project is running. So enter first number. So we are inputting the first number as suppose 50. Enter second number. Suppose we are inputting 5. So if I click the addition operation here, so 50 plus 5 equals to 55 is displayed in the result in the third text field. If I click the subtraction option, so 50 minus 5 equals to 45, that is displayed. If I click the multiplication option, then 50 into 5 equals to 250, and division 50 divided 5 equals to 10. And if I click the exit button, then the current Java application is closed.